Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday, June 7th. We made it almost the weekend. And we have another, I believe it's Amazon Prime unboxing. This is overseas. Coming from, not sure where. We're about to open it up. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And of course, you guys can take advantage of fast shipping. Get this in time for Father's Day. The link is going to be down below. But I do believe this is a Amazon. Alright, what do we have here? We got a plug or some kind of adapter. Oh, one of these things, okay. Boom. That's no invoice. Oh boy. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, LED projector, SMP, JPEG, BMP text. I think this is HDMI, small size. All the information is going to be on the title and also down below. But I can't remember who sent me this one, but check them out. We're gonna see this whole thing in action. Oh, drop you guys down. Hey, here we go. Right, that one, boom. Go. This little tiny guy. Got the manual. Oh boy. Bixby could translate that. Okay, there's HDMI. I do believe one port. One port HDMI. Then you got the plug. Got the plug right here. One of these things, you go like so. You just gotta plug it in. Oops. Why is it backwards? I don't get that. I'm supposed to plug it in like that. It's like upside down. I guess. Oh, we could still. Interesting. That was on backwards, but it's okay. But it should be a good enough voltage for your house. Hopefully nothing blows up, catches fire. Oh well, look at this tiny little guy. Oh, this is sweet. Look at this. This will be good for your Nintendo Mini and all that good stuff. Where is the HDMI? USB right there. I think that's it. Somehow it opens, I think. There's a tripod you could have. SD card, audio jack, IR for remote. I could also use one of those like cell phone jacks to charge it. And there's where the plug goes. And it's tiny. Look at that. How tiny that little thing is. I know there's an HDMI. It's gotta be HDMI. I think it's here. For some reason, it's sealed. Or maybe this, not HDMI. this would be where it goes, because it's shaped like it. Right there. Let me grab a pen. Be right 1 sec. Alright, I guess this is just the USB. It's empty on the side. I opened it up, but I don't know if you guys can see it. But it's supposed to go there. But I think this is just the basic model with the USB. Got nothing to show right now. But the review will be on my Instagram channel. Or on my Instagram page. If you guys want to take a look over. USB 2.0 on and off. And doesn't show. It's 1080p. LED lamp life is 20,000 hours. No, there's no HDMI. Is this straight up USB or memory card? I don't know. I have anything really USB to plug in and try out. But this would be good for like parties, slideshows, stuff like that. And movies. You could also put on memory cards and maybe run it off your phone, transfer it. But definitely don't see no HDMIs. So there you have it, YouTubers. Check them out. Links will be down below, where you could get one of these SMP series projectors. Simplified micro projector. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. That's all I have for today. And see you guys tomorrow for Friday. See ya.